Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2LT in shark gray metallic on black leather interior. So I'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We've got the removable targa top that's actually a glass or transparent top. So as you can see, it has a black or bluey tinge to it. From the inside here, when we pull it up, as you can see, it is see-through. So very, very neat option. Here's the trunk area of the vehicle. We do have the cargo netting down here, and we've got storage with a bunch of goodies. You've got the privacy netting and the wheel lock there as well. So that's great. So we'll lock this back into place, close the lid here. So it does have soft close, so I simply press, it pulls itself closed. We've got the nice carbon flash metallic Z51 style spoiler. We've got the nice LED taillights, carbon flash badge package, and the NPP performance exhaust. So the two outer ports have dampers on them that open and close electronically to make the exhaust louder or quieter. What a neat color. I haven't seen one of these in years, so definitely not something that comes around every day. So here's our black Z51 style wheels. We've got the yellow calipers and nice Michelin tires on there. Over at the passenger door, we've got the nice baseball stitching. We've got power locks, power windows, electronic door release, and a 10-speaker Bose stereo. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. A little bit of minor scuffing, nothing major as expected. And here's our power seat. So power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. It's got the nice Alcantara. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. So we've got the books with this, that's great. We've got our heated and cooled seat controls over here. We've got temperature display, temperature control, nice baseball stitching on the lower as well as on the upper. Have a look at the dash condition, looks good. And we'll hop out and we'll close this side up. So we'll just step to the back of the vehicle, and I'll move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. And at the front, we've got our black Z51 style wheel, yellow caliper, and nice Michelin tires. Over on the side, we've got the carbon flash metallic vent insert as well as the Stingray badge. And then under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower, and that's paired to the 8-speed automatic transmission. We also have the MagRide, so it's got the adjustable suspension. That's the cable for it. We've got the hood blanket here as well. So I'll go ahead, we'll close the hood. We'll have a look from the front. So here it is from the front. So it's got the nice black housing, HID projector headlights, LED daytime running lights, LED turn signals. We've got the nice carbon flash metallic vent insert up here. You've got your curb view camera there, as well as on this side here. And I'll just have a nice close look here at the car. We'll see if there's anything to point out. Overall, it's pretty clean. One little stone chip down here. And I think that might be it. Yeah, that looks like it. So, I mean, there might be something else that I don't see, but overall, it's a really clean car. Here's your other front wheels. So again, nice black Z51 style wheels, yellow calipers, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So again, we've got the nice 10-speaker Bose stereo. We've got memory for up to 2 users there, as well as a programmable exit button. We've got our power windows, electronic door release, and the nice baseball stitching. So here's the kick plate on the driver's side. So again, it's in pretty good shape, a little bit of minor scuffing, which is expected. And we've got our power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, and lumbar. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy, and we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. In terms of kilometers, we have 25,453. No warning lights or issues here on the dash. Over here we've got our cruise control buttons. Down below we've got favorites or track change. On this side we've got our volume controls, and then up here we have our arrow keys. The arrow keys work the dash. That gives us info, performance, audio, voice command. Up top, paddle shifter plus and minus. Nice baseball stitching here on the inner of the steering wheel. And then over here, we've got heads-up display, power mirror control, trunk release, motion alarm on and off, and power tilt and telescopic steering column. I'll just show you here on the windscreen. There's your heads-up display. So it moves and we can cycle through different information. So that's great. And on this side, you've got your push button start. We've got behind screen storage with USB. Put that back up. You've got audio, so AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB auxiliary in, telephone controls, projection, which is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, nav, so we've got the full factory navigation, PDR, so you got your performance data recorder, and we've got a reverse camera, we've got our front curve view cameras, and then down below we've got our dual zone climate. So when we change this, it displays here on the screen, and then you got your heated and cooled seat for the driver, heated and cooled seat secondary controls for the passenger, and then nice Corvette Stingray nameplate. Alcantara wrapped 8-speed automatic shifter and mode selector. So to change that, we just twist it. We get sports, track, weather, eco, and back to touring there. So that's the drive selector, electronic parking brake, 2 USB ports, auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket. There's your auto-dimming rear view mirror. With OnStar, we've got the garage universal control and auto-dimming driver's side mirror. So we'll just hop out now with this one running. We'll have a look and a listen. Great sound to it. Love the NPP exhaust. And I'll just show you here from the front with the headlights on. There it is, sharp looking car. We'll just move along this side so you can see the condition. There it is from the back. There you have it, folks. 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2LT. Here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.